Love Again. Please welcome Alden Richards and Catherine Bernardo. Love Again. Kat, Alden, let's pose for photos muna. Right over there. There you go. Sana po nararamdaman ninyo ang energy. Ang energy ng event natin tonight. Alright. Please welcome Catherine and Alden. Bati muna tayo, Alden.
Magandang gabi na po. Parang panaginip, hindi po kami, well ako po, kaming lahat po, hindi po kami makapaniwala na finally it's happening this year. And we couldn't be more excited po on what's about to unfold in the next couple of months. Pero maraming salamat po sa inyong nandito ngayon.
Kat?
Hello! Hello po, good evening. Thank you so much for being here. Of course, our bosses are here from ABS and GMA for the first time. Hello, finally! And to our press, MJ, Kathy, and everybody, thank you for being here. I know it's a Sunday, but nandito kayo lahat to show your support. So maraming salamat ngayon pa.
Hindi pwedeng wala kami ngayon. Kasi this is a big announcement. Okay, after 5 years, here we are, doing the sequel. How does it feel? Kanina sa